welcome to Write It, Do It class number 5. My name is Zoe and today we'll be learning about identifying objects. This sounds kind of silly. I mean, everyone knows what things are called, right? Well, kind of. I mean, I know I went over this before, but one of these items is a thumbtack and the other one is a push pin. And I bet a lot of people do not know the difference. Do you know the difference? Well, if not, that's totally okay. That's why we're doing this today, so you can actually learn what things are called. If you watched my last video about teaching tricks, you'll remember that one of the things I say to do first is just have all your kids stand around you and have them shout out the names of objects as you show them to them. That way you'll know if they have different names for the same item. Now if you're following along, get out a sheet of paper and number it from 1 to 10 because I'm about to show you what identifying objects looks like. In a few moments I will be showing you pictures of 10 common Write It, Do It materials and you'll have 5 seconds per photo to identify what you think it is. Now compare your list to mine. Number 1, popsicle stick. Number 2, green pom-pom. Number 3, pink bead. Number 4, thumbtack. Number 5, push pin. Number 6, marshmallow. Number 7, T-pin. Number 8, pink binder clip. Number 9, white pipe cleaner. And finally, number 10, yellow paper clip. How did you do? Did you get a 10 out of 10? Of course you did. Now I'm going to show you something else that you need to keep in mind. Color and size. Some objects are very similar, but they have certain different characteristics about them. For instance, this one is a regular popsicle stick, and this one is a purple popsicle stick. They are different objects, so you do need to specify which is which. Objects can also be different in terms of size. For example, this is a mini popsicle stick. This is a regular sized one, and this is a large popsicle stick. You have to keep that in mind when you're describing an object. For example, if you're a writer and you have both of these on your model, you can't just say popsicle stick for both of them because then your partner will be very confused. He won't know which one you mean. So what I do is I set a standard. So this is my standard popsicle stick. It's the standard size, the standard color, and then if I have a different color or a different size, I add that as a description so my partner knows how it differs from the standard. However, you have to make sure that you and your partner agree on what is standard. For instance, this purple one could be your partner's standard. I don't know. And then this one you have to say tan instead of just popsicle stick. Whatever you want to do, just make sure you agree on which one is the standard. The final thing I have for you guys today is this worksheet that I give to my students every year. And it's basically a bunch of pictures of common Write It, Do It materials, and I ask them to write down what each of these things are. I will add a link to my worksheet down in the description below, but you can easily make your own with your own materials. You just have to take pictures of your items or find pictures online and put them on a sheet of paper and just ask them to identify them. It's very, very simple. This shouldn't take too long because the whole point of it is for your students to be able to identify objects instantly. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you all next week.